Welcome to 14 Woodacres Drive in the quiet, small, 30-unit only community of Woodacres. As you can see, there's tons of parking here. Private cul-de-sac. All fenced-in yard provided by the HOA. Your HOA fee on these is only $75 a month. And that takes care of your roadways, your walkways, snow removal, garbage recycling, and just a lovely, quiet community. We're located right off of Route 130 and Wood Avenue. Lots of nearby shopping and restaurants. And you're about 10 minutes to 15 minutes away from New York City buses and trains. You have the park and ride down the road, down Route 130 South in Dayton. Children here go to the highly rated Judd Elementary School. We have a new middle school right up the road. The ShopRite Shopping Center. So much to offer in this location. As for the unit, we have a new roof. This is 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths with a full finished basement. It's owner occupied, it's never been rented, and it's been well maintained, as you will see. We have a nice forever storm door, beautiful leaded glass, welcoming entry door, steel insulated, granite tiles that match the backsplash and countertop, stainless steel appliances, a nice pass-through right into the dining room. Gives you a little bit of the open concept feel, so no matter what room you're in on the first floor, you're connected. Eating kitchen. There's new furnace and new central air also. Guest coat closet. Updated bathroom with granite countertop and toilet. Everything nice, neutral decor. Freshly painted, real, true hardwood floors in the living room and dining room. Nice contemporary light fixture. Spacious gathering room. With track lighting. And also the hardwood floors underneath the throw rug. Out back you have a private yard. Your own private deck, which is a standard size, but affords room for a chair, table, and a grill. There's your new air conditioning unit. Nice private backyard here. And as some of the other folks, you can use it as you like. This is your property. They do maintain the grass for you for the $75 a month. And just private, secluded, quiet area. The home also features a full finished basement. There's like a pantry closet here, extra storage, full finished basement. And they have it sectioned off to be game or home office room, and a large recreation room. Don't worry about all the stuff here. It just shows you how much you can fit into this room and still have plenty of space left over. But you also have additional storage that goes in here underneath your stairs and back around behind, as well as another ample off-season storage. Back here, still plenty of storage. You have a new washer and dryer, scrub sink, and plenty of storage back here, as you can see. Your heating and cooling vents are all insulated for maximum efficiency. You have a sump pump, but the home has never had a water problem. Sump pump and French drain. Brand new hot water heater. And new furnace. I'm going to head back upstairs to the bedrooms. Great light, bright feeling in the home, all neutral colors. You have upgraded carpet and padding. Here up the stairs, hallway and into the bedrooms. Owner's suite. Lots of light, nice view of the woods and private backyard. This model was designed with his and hers closets, mini walk-ins, a dresser alcove. So there's plenty of space here. Ceiling fan. The bathrooms have all been redone. New ceramic tile floors, granite top, new faucet, toilet, beautiful shower, the rain head, shower head. Toothbrush house. All you got to do is bring your toothbrush and move in. Nothing to do here. As we said, home's been well maintained. Another linen closet here. And we have an abundant walk up, pull down stairs attic with tons of storage space. Common bathroom, hallway bathroom, new vanity top, sink, fixtures, all brand new tiling, up floor to ceiling, up to the ceiling, newer toilet, and just very nicely done. Nice light and bright second bedroom. Good size closet that goes end to end here. Lots of natural light. You have the ceiling fan. And the same thing duplicated in the second bedroom. And again, just move-in ready home. Bring your toothbrush and go. So there you have it. 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, upgraded kitchen, bathrooms, finished basement, low maintenance fees, low taxes, nice yard, $400,000. Let's make it yours today.